We were actually surprised. So we're OTC traded. So we're on the pink sheets. And we were actually limited information at that point in time because we weren't reporting. We didn't need to, so we were limited. Well, here comes a shareholder who came out of the blue, literally, and bought up so much of the shares. And, he talked with the CEO at the time and was interested in, he wanted to be on the board, but we only had 3 seats. And so they did a proxy fight with us, which I didn't know what that meant. I didn't know how that worked. Well, they won.
So what is that? How did that work? Tell us about that.
So, when you own shares in any kind of company, you get the proxy once a year that says, hey, vote for the board members, vote for the auditor, and if there's any other matters. Well, we sent ours out with our current board. They sent one out with who they wanted to be on the new board. Well, they had enough shares and enough people on their side, if you will. So they ended up winning the proxy fight. And at that point in time, they then dismissed the board that we had, which was the CEO and the CFO at that time, promoted me up to the CFO, promoted who our president was at the time to the CEO role, and brand new board.